Hello everyone, I hope you can hear me quite clear because it's quite windy outside, and I didn't want to film indoors because it's summer and the weather is really nice. As you can see behind me, it's sunny. Yeah, anyway, today I want to teach you how to braid a flower crown. Well, it's not that important thing, but it's useful, and especially if you're living in Latvia, then for summer solstice, which are in this week, this thing is quite important because this is our tradition. On every summer solstice, we are making flower or oak leaf crowns. So, yeah, it's quite important. I will show you how to braid it in a really simple way, and all what you need is a scissors, some thread in a dark color that matches with flower stems. That would be perfect, and a lot of flowers. Make sure that flowers are with soft and elastic stems so the flowers won't break off. And yeah, that's it. My flower crown I will make from corn flowers because they are really pretty and the stems are pretty flexible to build a pretty crown. And as it goes for the stem length, well, basically the principle is really simple. It's similar with hair. With the short hair, it's really hard to braid, but with long hair, it's much easier to work with. So just keep in mind that you have to get medium length stems, something like that, so it will be easier to work with. Okay, let's start. So I will pick up some 3 to 4 stems together, and all what I'm going to do is to place it one bunch on top and just spin it around and place it with all the stems together. So this is the beginning of the flower crown, and the next section will go right here, goes around the second one, the next bunch goes here and goes behind the last, and so on. So it's that simple. And again, next flower bunch goes here. As you can see, here is like a little hole, and the stems goes behind the last one and fold in here. And this is how you braid the flower crown. So I will finish up so you could see how I ended up. And yeah. Don't forget to measure the flower crown. It should stay on your head without falling off. To finish up the crown, you need to put both sides together, cut the thread, and spin it around until it's secure. And the flower crown is done! Happy summer solstice, everyone! Bye!